guys, my name is Gia. Welcome to this channel, and today I'm excited to show you the different transitions that are available on Capcut. They're very simple, very nice, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy working with them. So stay tuned and let's get straight into the video. Okay, so for you to get started, you need to access the Capcut app. So here it is. You open it and then you select a project that you want to work on. So in this case, we are going to work with this one. We are going to use this video to experiment on the different transitions. As you can see at the bottom of this screen, we have so many icons here that you can actually press and use to edit your videos. So for us to be able to access the transitions, we need to press on the edit icon, and then we go to animations. Here it is, and then this is how it actually looks like after you press the animations button. So if you want the transitions to look as if the pictures or the video is coming in or going out, or a combination of both, you can press any of these icons at the bottom here. Any of them will do the work for you. We are going to try all of them. So let's start with the in. So with this, you can actually increase or decrease the duration with which you want your transition to last. So you can increase. After you increase, it will look like this. It lasts way longer. It can go up to 4.4 seconds. Yeah, that is too long for me, but you can use it however you want. You can actually even decrease it to 0.1 seconds, literally, like, yeah, 0.1 seconds. It looks pretty nice. After you have selected the transition that you want to use, you need to press this icon here is the one that is going to set it to actually play in your videos. With the out transition, let us try them. Let's go to the combo. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, let me know on the comment section. Also like, share, subscribe, and let's see each other on the next video. Until next time, bye.